Side posture. And other side up, please. So I use the chest drop and arm pull for that one. We can change it up. You can use a body drop. Oh, and kids, if your chiropractor is adjusting you like this, that's good. If they're like this and that's touching places they ain't supposed to, that's bad. Face up. This is an ankle adjustment.
That sounds like fun.
This is a foot adjustment.
Wait, I gotta get that one a little bit closer. That was a good pop.
This is an ankle adjustment. Good release. This is a foot adjustment.
That was cool. Wrist adjustment?
Thumb, wrist. You got it. Come on.